begin to share a file, I will press spacebar.
Space. List.
And I know that this is a list, but I don't know how many elements are there in the list. And if I press up arrow or down arrow, it doesn't read me anything, so I will press tab.
Tab. Add files push button.
Okay, I will press spacebar over this
Space.
button.
Files. Table with 11 rows, 4 columns. Left control.
Okay, this is a table list.
List with
table
10
view,
items.
sorry.
Desktop. Home. Open. Desk. Discargas.
Okay,
Slash
here
left control. Left control.
Downloads,
return.
and I press enter over. And I don't know what's happening there.
Documentos. Descargas. Return.
Okay, I will press tab.
Tab. Documentos. Slash home slash yan slash docu left. Descargas. Slash home slash yan slash document. Descargas. Return.
Press enter. And it doesn't change anything.
Left. Desktop. Open the right control. Tab. Descargas.
Tab.
Slash home slash right control tab. Documentos.
Tab again.
Slash home slash yan slash doc left control tab. Images. Slash home slash yan slash images.
Tab again.
Tab. Musica. Slash home slash left. Document. Descargas. Slash
again,
left control.
on
Return.
Downloads.
Documentos. Slash home discard. Browse header revealer panel. Browse header stack panel. Up path push button. List with 10 items. Descargas tab. Document tab. Images tab. Musica tab. Videos. Slash home left control.
F6, no?
F6. Browse header revealer panel. Browse header stack F6. List with 10 items. Videos. Slash home slash yan slash videos. F6. Browse header T. Algorithmos y targetas did. T700 line 22 left control right control.
One tab when I am over downloads and once I have pressed enter and then press enter over
return. OnionShare frame. Layered pane. Add files push button.
Okay, press tab again.
Tab. Add folder push button. Tab. Tab. Always open this tab when OnionShare is started. Check tab. This is a public OnionShare service left paren. Disables private key right paren. Check tab.
Tab again.
Show advanced settings push button. Tab. Stop sharing after files have been sent left paren. Uncheck to allow downloading individual files tab.
Tab again.
Start sharing push button.
And press space right here to start sharing. And if there's some alert that that's changing, that indicates that the file has certain percentage of being shared, I don't know, I'm not aware of it. Maybe visually it's visible, but for the screen reader it's not perceivable.
Tab. Copy address left. Stop sharing push button.
Start sharing. Apparently it hasn't shared anything.
Return.
I will press enter again.
Tab. List with 1 item. Push button.
there is just a list of one item, and I suppose, but I'm not sure, that this is the file. So I will press spacebar
Space.
over,
Settings push button.
and it returns me to the settings.
Tab. Share page tab lid tab. Layered pane. Push button. Tab. List.
So it's a little bit confusing because the buttons are not well labeled
Left.
or
Push
properly
button.
labeled. It's here it just says that I have to push this button, but I don't know the purpose of it. Then I press tab again.
List.
There's a list, but I don't know how many items. And if I press down arrow or up arrow, doesn't read anything.
Tab. Add files push button.
And apparently it has returned me to the previous screen. So
Tab. Add folder push left control.
I'm not able to add files.
Tab. Settings push button.
Okay, then I will press
Tab. Share page tab left plus push button. Left settings push
I
left
will
control.
press enter over this settings
Return.
button to see what is opened, and then tab.
Tab. Settings page tab list.
Okay, this is a settings tab, then tab again.
Tab. Layered pane. General page tab list.
Tab again.
Tab. Layered pane. English combo box.
Okay, this is apparently the language, but the combo box is not well labeled, so I don't know. Just by deducing, I know that this is the language and I can change it. And if I press down arrow, it doesn't read anything.
Tab.
Tab again.
Auto combo box.
Another combo box, but I don't know what's the thing that I should select here. Tab again.
Tab. Need help. See docs.onionshare.org tab.
Okay, again, tab.
Tab. Save push button.
Save. I will press space
Space.
right here.
Settings push button. Tab. Share page tab left.
Then
Plus
again,
push button. Left. Settings push button. Space.
spacebar over the settings button, and then tab
Tab.
again.
Settings page tab list tab. Layered pane. General page tab list.
And then control tab.
Left tab. Tor settings page tab.
Okay, this is the Tor settings. Tab again.
Tab. Layered pane. How should OnionShare connect to Tor? Panel. How should OnionShare connect to Tor? Use the Tor version built into OnionShare. Selected radio button.
Okay, this is the first radio button that is selected, and if I press tab,
Tab. Auto dash connect to Tor checkbox checked. Tab. Use a bridge checkbox not checked. Tab. Test connection to Tor push button.
I will press space over
Space.
this button. And again, I don't know what's happening on the screen. Press Shift Tab. Oh, no, it doesn't.
Left shift tab. Left control.
Okay.
Settings push button. Layered pane. Left. Tab. Tab. Tab.
It doesn't read anything.
Tab. Left tab. Tab.
No, it's not reading anything.
Es que estaba una barra de progreso, terminó. Es que era como un test.
Sí.
Ahora te está dando el resultado del test en otra ventanita que no te lee. No te está leyendo esa ventanita ¿Cómo se llama?
Pero que sale como la model, ¿no? Model.
¿Cómo model?
Sí, así se llama la ventana. Cuando sale por arriba de la aplicación, la ventana model. Es que me quiero regresar a los otros settings.
A ver, escape.
Escape. OnionShare frame.
Okay.
Settings push button. Tab. Settings page tab list. Tab. Layered pane. Tor settings page tab list.
Okay.
Left control.
Yeah. Okay, what I did is it wasn't reading anything, and just by intuition I pressed escape, and then it returned me to this screen here. So I began to press tab, and then
tab. Layered pane. How should OnionShare connect? How should OnionShare connect to Tor?
I will
attempt toggle dash configuration with Tor browser. Selected radio button.
This is the second button, and then press tab.
Tab. Auto dash connect to Tor checkbox check tab. Test connection to Tor push tab. Save push button.
And then the save.
Left.
I will
Test
return
auto dash left
with
control.
Shift tab.
Left. How should OnionShare connect to Tor?
And then
panel. How should OnionShare connect to Tor?
press the
attempt
down arrow
toggle dash config. How should OnionShare connect to Tor?
to change the radio button.
Connect using control port. Selected radio button.
And then press tab again.
Tab. Auto dash connect to Tor checkbox checked. Tab. Tor settings panel. Text. 127.0.0 selected.
These are auto-completed fields. I will just continue pressing
tab. Text unselected. Text. 905 tab. Text unselected. Text. 127 tab. Text unselected. Text. 905 selected. Tab. Text unselected. No authentication. Orca tab. Test connection to Tor push button tab. Save push button.
Okay, and then the save button. I just press tab to go from the beginning to the end of this this dialog box, and then I will return to the radio button.
Left tab tab
to select
tab.
the next one.
Layered pane. Left tab. Tab. Auto combo box. Tab. Need help? See docs left. Auto combo. English combo box. Tab tab. Need help? Let tab. Settings push button. Left shift tab. Settings push button tab. Settings page tab list. Tab. Layered pane. Tor settings page tab tab. Layered pane. How should OnionShare connect? How should OnionShare connect to Tor? Connect using socket file. Selected radio button.
And these are the options that are displayed when I select this radio button.
Tab. Auto dash connect tab. Tor settings panel. Text. /var/run/tor/controls tab.
Okay, this is
text unselected. Text.
auto fields.
127 tab. Text unselected. Text. Tab. Text unselected.
These are text
no
panels.
authentication or cookie authentication checkbox checked.
And then if I return with
Left.
Shift tab,
text unselect. How should OnionShare?
and this is the last button of these settings. So with this I am ending the user test for now with of the OnionShare Linux application. Thank you very much.